Hi, my name is Andrew Koster and I'm with Pit Boss Grills. Today we're going to be working on removing and replacing a controller in a Pit Boss unit. Today we're going to be using a Pit Boss 700 FB, but any grill with a vertical style controller can use this same process. Before performing any maintenance on your Pit Boss grill, first make sure it's unplugged and cool. The first process of removing your hopper is actually going to be to remove the bottom panel. There's 8 Phillips head screws that hold it in place. You can remove it using a Phillips head screwdriver or drill. Once the grate has been pulled off and set aside, you will then clip off 3 zip ties that are holding all your wires together. Then all of your connections can be disconnected by pulling apart the plastic molex connectors. The plastic connectors can be very difficult to pull apart. Just give them a good tug and they'll come apart though. From there, you'll remove 2 Phillips head screws holding on the control board and pull the control board out the front side of the hopper. You will then take a flathead screwdriver and loosen the screws holding the probe wires in place, and they will slide directly out. From there, the controller can be completely removed and can be swapped for a new one. In order to replace the control board, you will first place the probe wires into the blue box and tighten down the flathead screws. Insert all molex connectors back in the original order. You will then reinsert the controller into the grill. You will screw the controller back into place. The wires are going to be hanging. If you just tuck them off to the side rather than zip tie them, keep them out of the way of the fan, they'll be good to go. And then you will put the bottom panel back in. Once your bottom plate's in place, your control panel is now perfectly installed and ready to go.